Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss about simple future tense. So those sentences that tell us about that something will gonna happen in future, then we will use simple future tense. Or if we want to predict something about future, for example, मैं खाना खाऊंगी, I will eat food. वे सब लड़ाई करेंगे, तो I am just predicting that they will fight with each other. Okay, so they will fight. वो गाना गाएगा, he will sing. मैं सोऊंगा, I will sleep. वो पढ़ाई करेगी, she will study. हम सैर पर जाएंगे, we'll go for a walk. हम आएंगे, will come. Okay, so again we'll discuss positive, negative and interrogative sentences. We always start a positive sentence from subject, then we will add will, then first form of verb and then object. For example, train will arrive at 6 o'clock at the station. It means I am telling that it will arrive in future. वो future में train आएगी 6 o'clock. I will go to school. She will ride her bicycle. Whenever we ride two-wheeler or we ride on an animal, then we use the word ride. जब भी हम किसी जानवर की सवारी करते हैं या कोई टू व्हीलर साइकिल या बाइसिकल वगैरह चलाते हैं तो हम राइड वर्ड का यूज करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ ड्राइव. They will found an NGO. तो here found means नींव रखना, किसी चीज की शुरुआत करना, तो किसी चीज की नींव रखना. फाउंडेशन, laying the foundation stone of something is found. So they will found an NGO, or they will found a group, or they have founded an organization. तो उन्होंने किसी ग्रुप की, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की, किसी एनजीओ की, किसी हॉस्पिटल की नींव रखी या शुरुआत की. तो जब हम will लगा रहे हैं तो वो शुरुआत करेंगे. They will found. Cat will jump over this table. तो जो cat है वो इस टेबल से जंप करेगी, मतलब टेबल के एक साइड से दूसरी साइड पे वो jump करेंगे. I am telling about the future. I am predicting the future here. You will become a doctor. We will win the match. तो simple future हम कहाँ लगाते हैं? Whenever we want to predict about something in future, or if we are promising somebody. अगर हम किसी को कुछ promise कर रहे हैं कि मैं ये काम आपके लिए करूंगा future में, तब भी we will use simple future. और अगर कोई future में कोई काम होने वाला है, कोई घटना होने वाली है, उसके बारे में if we are telling, then also we will use simple future. आपने अक्सर देखा होगा कि I के साथ shall का यूज करते हैं, लेकिन मैंने जो लास्ट की वीडियो थी यहाँ पे मैंने I के साथ will का यूज किया. तो पहले 90s में I के साथ shall का ज्यादा यूज होता था, बट nowadays कन्वीनियंस के लिए we use will with I. तो I will play with you और I shall play with you. Both are grammatically correct. I shall fulfill your promise or I will fulfill your promise. So both are correct. तो whenever we talk about the casual speak, बात करने बोलचाल की भाषा में ना, instead of using will, तो हम कभी कभी फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ be भी हम यूज करते हैं. हम is am are का यूज करते हैं. and we also use going to, कि मैं ये काम करने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to throw a party this week और I will throw a party this week. तो दोनों का एक ही मतलब है. तो जब हम बोलचाल की भाषा में going to का भी यूज करते हैं be की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ. is am are is the first form of be, was were second form है, and been is the third form. Then it's going to rain today. तो it is a kind of prediction, और it will rain today. दोनों वर्ड ठीक है. अगर आप फॉर्मली जाएंगे तो you will use will. अगर आप कैजुअल बात करेंगे, आप कैजुअली इनफॉर्मली बात कर रहे हैं, then you can use going to with is am are before it. She is not going to listen to us. She will not listen to us. I am going to finish my work soon, or I will finish my work soon. Now we will talk about negative sentences. So in order to make negative sentences in simple future, we will just use not after will. In future, in Positive sentence, I told you that train will arrive at 6 o'clock at the station. But when I will convert it into negative sentence, I will say the train will not arrive at 6 o'clock at the station. Similarly, I will not go to school. She will not ride her bicycle. They will not found an NGO. Cat will not jump over this table. You will not become a doctor. And we will win the match. Sorry, we will not win the match. Here, I forgot to write not. Okay. So now we will discuss about interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentences means we are asking questions. So we can ask question in two forms. Either we can start the question with the interrogative word, or we can skip the interrogative word. If we will use interrogative word in the starting of the interrogative sentences, it means the answer will be given in one line, or the answer is one liner, or it has a full explanation. But on the other hand, if we are starting question without interrogative word, then we are asking question in such a manner that the answer would be in Boolean. The Boolean means the answer will be in yes or no. So type 1 questions in which we will use, or we will start the question with interrogative words. So when will train arrive at the station, or why will I not go to station? Where will she ride her bicycle? When will they found an NGO? How will cat jump over this table? How means kaise, how the cat will jump over this table. When will you become a doctor? And how will we win the race? Now I already told you that in the second kind of question we will skip the interrogative words. So the question will become, if we remove when, it will become, will train arrive at the station? Will I not go to school? Will she ride her bicycle? Why they found an NGO? Will cat jump over the table or jump over this table? Will you become a doctor, or will we win the race? So that's all for today. Have a great day, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.